What if you could earn from your home an income while doing something you enjoy? Caring for children and families. For so many moms and caring individuals, the challenge isn't wanting to work, it's finding a way to provide financially without sacrificing your time, your values, or your family. What if your home could be the solution? Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Denise. And if you're thinking about starting a home daycare business, or you're simply looking for a way to make an income while providing for your family and improving the lives of others, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you in three sections. Number one, how to start your home daycare business. Number two, what you need to know before you begin. And number three, how to turn your passion for caring into a reliable source of income. This isn't just about making money, although it is profitable. It's about building something meaningful, sustainable, and beneficial for families you provide care for. So stay with me until the very end because this could be the opportunity that changes everything for you and your family. So before we get started, the first thing I recommend you do is to determine your why. Why do you want to open a home daycare business? You see, before applications, inspections, business planning, you should first understand why you want to. Yes, it is profitable, and yes, you may enjoy working with children, but there's going to be so much more. Your why will guide your decisions, it will sustain you through challenges, and it will help you to communicate your mission to your families. So, you see, for me, I decided to open a home daycare business because my family circumstances had changed. My son was soon to be born, and I was currently working a 9 to 5 job. And I knew the best place for him was to be with me. Not all parents are in a position where they can leave their 9 to 5 job and provide for their children, nor do all parents want to do that. Some actually enjoy working, and there's nothing wrong with that. But by you doing this, it will allow you an opportunity to create a safe, home like environment for other people's children and your own if you have them, where they can learn and thrive during their most formative first 5 years of life. What a wonderful privilege that is for you and for the families. So let's begin with some basic steps. First step number one is you should determine your location because based on where you are living, and where you're having your home daycare, you will need to contact your state local licensing agencies. That's step number one. Step number two, once you understand your state's licensing requirements, you will want to complete your state's licensing application. Be sure to stay tuned to the very end of this video so that you can receive your free gift. Now, third would be to prepare your home. Prepare your home for inspections, prepare your home to make sure it's a safe space, clean space for children with age appropriate toys, supplies, and furniture. Fourth, you'll want to complete the required training. Your state will have specific training for your license requirements. Fifth is to establish your business structure and plan by choosing what time you're going to be open for business, how many children you will care for. Now, of course, determining by your state, they will set the regulations for how many children you can have for a home daycare. But you don't have to go to the max. You can figure out what may work best for you. And by setting your rates also, and these are just to name a few. Six is start marketing your business for enrollment. Advertise, advertise, advertise. And finally, step number seven, operate, grow, and thrive. You do this by staying on top of your industry and getting additional education and training and learning new streams of revenue to build up your business. Now, if you would like to learn more ways of doing this, at the end of my video here, there are some other videos that will help you to see just how you can do that. If you are enjoying what you're learning, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you can find out more. Now, as a reminder, take it one step at a time. This doesn't happen overnight. You don't have to do everything all at once. And remember, you're working with children, so you want to make sure you cross all your T's and dot all your I's so you can have a safe environment for all the children in your care. And before you start, there are a few things I wish someone would have told me. Now, for the complete list, at the end of my video, watch my series, 5 Things I Wish I Knew Before Opening a Daycare, but just a few things. So First, this is not just babysitting. This is a business and a responsibility. You are responsible for children's safety, meeting your state's rules and regulations, and communicating with your parents professionally. So, this is a professional business, so you'll want to treat it as such. Second, boundaries are everything. So, set them and make it clear before you open. One way by making a clear line of demarcation is to separate your home daycare space from your family space because it is a home daycare business. My entire home was licensed and it was under the state laws during those hours of operation because that was the law. But at the end of the day, I closed that space off to my home daycare so I could feel as though I was physically and mentally leaving work. The second way I did this is by outlining my home daycare rules and regulations in my parent handbook, from when payments are due to how they should be paid, where parents should park, and how they should drop off and pick up their children. And that, again, is just to name a few. But you want to make it clear so that there's no confusion and no awkward moments. Without clear boundaries, you will overwork yourself, you will feel overwhelmed, and you will burn out really quickly. Third is income is not automatic. You have to set your rates correctly based on your area and what your personal needs are for your home business. You'll need to enforce your policies. And again, I can't say this enough, treat it like a real business. When you exchange services for money, it is a business, so treat it as such. If you're wanting to learn more tips about how to do this, again, at the end of my video, there are links to several videos that can help you. A few reminders: start your business with the right mindset, and you will save yourself some time, some stress, and some frustration. And if you need additional help with that, again, Dee Dee's EduChest, our services are here ready to help you. Now, let's talk about the turning your passion into an income. You see, you can make money doing this, not ripping people off, but being paid what you are worth. Remember, these are precious individuals, and parents will pay for that, but it requires structure. Here's what helped me: I stopped trading my time for money only and started thinking like a business owner. I set consistent hours, I created clear payment systems, and built trust within my families. Over time, referrals became my biggest source of clients. And here's the key: parents are not just paying for childcare, they are paying for trust, reliable, and peace of mind professional care. And as a bonus, I prepared their children for preschool. Many of the children in my program were reading before they started kindergarten. So make sure that you not only provide safety, love, and nourishment to these children to help them thrive, but also prepare them for what's next. When you provide quality home childcare, your business becomes sustainable. So, in closing, starting a home daycare business can be one of the most rewarding things you can do. You're not just earning income, you're helping families, supporting children, and building something meaningful from your home. You're also strengthening your community. If you are ready to get started, take it step by step. And don't forget to build your business with structure and balance. My name is Denise. Remember, like and subscribe to my channel and click on the link below for your free checklist. Let me know in this section which point or section did you find most helpful. Section 1, Section 2, or Section 3. Remember, be that person to make a difference. Open a home daycare and reap the many rewards.